Hi, if you want to customize volume styles panel into your Samsung Galaxy A10, first step, go into Play Market and find volume styles application. This one. Need installing. And then go into this application. And now need choose your volume styles, for example, like iOS. So click it and click Start on the top. And now need give permissions for this application. Turn on here and one more time in Settings. Choose your install service, volume styles, turn on, allow. And now we activate new volume styles panel into our Samsung Galaxy A10. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.